Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to switch autocorrection feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system settings, keyboard and input methods, Gboard, text correction. And here you have autocorrection feature. You can just switch it like this by tapping on this switcher, and yeah, disabled, enabled, disabled, enabled. So yeah, so easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.